So as you can see, there is AB in both. AB, AB. So we'll factor AB. We are left with A here, and we are left with B here. Again, we see there is A common. So we have B minus A. Well, what we have here is A minus B. We have B minus A, so we can write it as, we can bring out the minus. So we have minus AB, B minus A over A, B minus A. So the two are, they are the same, so they are gone. A, so we are left with minus B. So the answer is minus 2.4. So don't make a mistake of substituting the values. You make the solution hard. So just simplify for you now. So our answer is C. The next question we are asked, factorize by grouping. We'll group these two and factor the common term, the same thing here. So looking at the first one, x squared is common. So we are left with x minus 2. And again, you know, our main aim is to factor. The only way they can have the same thing is making this x minus 2 and this minus 1. Do you get these two? If you open up this, I will get minus s plus 2. So because our main aim is to make the two to have common factor. So we need to, we'll factorize this and this now. So what is common is x minus 2. And what is left is minus 1. And looking at the option, none of this is there. So we'll again continue, because looking at this side, this is difference of 2 squared. So I can write this as x minus 1, x plus 1. So is C. S minus 2, S minus 1, S plus 1. So that's the answer. The next question has to factorize this. Looking at this, I'm seeing this subtraction, so square. So this is difference of 2 squared. So I can write this as 1 squared minus s minus 1 all squared. So difference of 2 squared is 1 plus x minus y times 1 minus x minus y. So x minus y. So this is 1 plus x minus y. This is 1 minus x plus y. So the answer is 1 plus y. Okay, the answer is C. The answer is C. So the next question, which of the following is a factor of that? Again, we'll factor by grouping. We'll factor by grouping. So if you notice, R is common here. We are left with S plus T. P is common S. So we need to factor by grouping. So bringing out R in the first part, that's this first part, this is X plus T. Again, I told you the only way they can factor is to make this to be the same. Make the common term. So meaning minus P is out. Whatever that is here and here must be the same. So once you write this, repeat it here, counter it so that we'll get the original. So if you open up this, you get back this. So what is common now is S plus T. And we are left with R. And from the option, which of four is a factor of that? Okay. Okay. There is no P plus R. Okay. We need to be careful before you choose none. You know, I can write this, I can bring out this minus out. So we're left with minus x plus t. What is here is now P minus R. So again, is there P minus R? No. But we can open up this as minus x minus t. So open up. So now, I think the answer is A. So don't be fast to choose the answer to be none. As to factorize 6bsy plus 4abs minus. So we'll group again. But before we group, we'll notice that it seems 6, 4, 12, 2. So we can factor 2 out. Again, since they all have x, so we bring x out. So we are left with 3by plus 2ab minus 6b squared, and finally minus ay. So that's what we are left with. So again, we need to factor this, the ones inside, by grouping. So we need to be careful in doing this. I'm seeing b 3, b 6, so I will bring this 3by minus 6b squared plus 2ab minus ay. So we have 2x. What is common here? What is common between this is 3, and again, there is b. So we are left with y minus 2b. Yes, check it. Again, I told you the only way we can do this is to repeat whatever that is here. So y minus 2b. So you counter it. For this to be minus, so I need to write this as minus a. Because if you multiply minus a times y, I have minus ay, minus a times minus 2b, I have plus 2ab. So it's correct. So that's the first one. Once you have this, write this, counter it. So what is common now is y minus 2b, and this 3b minus a. So that's our answer. That's the answer. Though we can still, this is just 2x times y minus 2b times 3b minus a. So we'll check which of the options. 2x y minus 2b. Okay, none of the option is there, but please don't rush to choose D. Don't rush to choose D. The answer is C. Why is C? You know, I can bring this minus out. I can bring this minus out. So that minus times minus is now plus. So we have 2x. Bringing the minus out, we make this to be 2b minus y. Why bringing the minus out there is a minus 3b. So the minus times minus will turn to plus. So that's the answer. The answer is C. Check, C is the same as this. Please don't rush to choose D. Whenever you have none of the above in any option, you have to look well. Check out well before you choose the answer. The answer is C.